Hello students, let's do one probability problem which is based on probability density function. So the problem is, if the function defined as follows is a density function, that means you are asked that check is the function defined as follows, okay, is a density function or not, okay. So this is the function fx is equal to 0 if x is less than 2, and it will be 1 by 18, 3 plus twice x if x lies between 2 to 4, and again it is 0 when x is greater than 4. So this is the function you are asked to check it is a probability density function or not. As we know, if fx is a probability density function, then integration over the range, that means integration over the range, that means minus infinity to infinity is equal to 1. Okay, so we are asked to find that integration of this function over the range, whatever be the range given, maximum and minimum, over the range the value is 1 or not. So here the function is integration of the function, here it is 0 no, for greater than less than 2, and here also it is 0. So the function will be 2 to 4. So we are trying to find 2 to 4 f of x dx. Okay, so f of x is here 2 to 4 f of x is 1 by 18 3 plus twice x. Okay, so this is so we try to find this, integrate this. So it is 1 by 18 constant, take it outside, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 plus twice x. As we know, when we do integration 1 by 18, then integration of this will be 3x plus 2x square by 2, and whatever be the limit 2 to 4 we put here. So it is 1 by 18, then this will cancel, 2 to cancel, x square will left, so we put the upper limit 4, it is 12. Okay, here if we put 4 here it will be 16. Okay, now minus lower limit is 2, 3 2 just 6, and this is 2, 2 2s are square, 2 2s are 4. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit, so it is 1 by 18, 12, 28, it is 28 minus 6 plus 4 10, so 10, so it is equal to 18. So 18 into 1 by 18, it is 1. So hence it is a probability density function. So one part is complete, that we are asked to check is the function defined as follows is a density function or not. So we did it, because if fx is a, here you have to write, if fx is a density function, then integration over the range is equal to 1. Now then you start doing integration over the range and check the value is 1 or not. Here the value is 1, so it is a probability density function. Now the second part, find the probability having this density, means find the probability, you are asked to find the probability having this density, that means this density, if it is a density function, then this density will fall in the interval this. What is the probability of having this density function fall in the interval this? Okay, and so that means the area same. So you are asked to find the probability of x lies between 2 to 3. Okay, so what we write for this, 2 to 3, what will be the function, 2 to 4 is this, so we take this 1 by 18, 3 plus twice x. Okay, then we do the integration and put upper limit and lower limit, you will get the value of or the probability of this density function lies in this interval 2 to 3. So, just you integrate it, okay. It is 1 by 18, take it outside, 3, 2, so again it is 3x plus 2x square by 2. When we do integration, you must write dx. When we do integration, here also dx, I forgot. So, just we have done integration. Now, you put upper limit and lower limit and find the value. Okay. Thank you.